Good day everyone, this is Jamel Jan Sasuman and this video is for educational purpose only. And today we will going to read a Hebrew word from the book of Numbers chapter 3 verse 40. And we will start from the word Wayumer. And if we translate it into English, the translation is, and he said. So we look at the syntax and the parsing of this word. The word, it has a conjunction and it is a verb also, kal, and third person, it is consecutive imperfect third person masculine singular. And next, Yahweh or Adonai. So this word, we cannot read it as we read it just like in Hebrew, but instead we read it Adonai. It is a proper name, a divine name. And also we have here an ele, le. It is preposition. And next, Moses. It is a noun. It is a proper and a masculine, a singular. And next, Pikud. In English, it is number. And the syntax or the parsing of this word is verb and kal, imperative, and masculine, singular. And next, we have here kol. In English, it is translated all, and it is a noun, a collective noun, a masculine singular genitival pronoun. So next we have bikor. Bikor, and in English it is firstborn, and it is nominative. It is a noun and masculine singular. And let's go to zakar. Zakar, the parsing of zakar is a noun, a masculine, and singular also. And next, livne. Livne, from the root word van. So livne, it has a preposition and it is translated to English as of the sons. So it has a preposition of this verse, of this word, and it is a masculine, plural, and genitival pronoun. And next, Yisrael. Yisrael, it is a translated to the English word Israel, of Israel, because it the first thing of this verse, it is a noun, a proper name, and a masculine, a singular. And next, for old or mimben, I don't know, mimben, it is for old, a proper name, a preposition, and nominative masculine singular. And next, hodesh, in English word amount. So nominative, that's the parsing of this verse. This word is nominative masculine singular. Next, wama ila, wama ila. In English, it is an above. It has a conjunction, an adverb, a third person, a feminine singular. So let's go to another word. Wisha. Wisha, And take. It has a conjunction also, a verb called imperative, masculine, a singular. So let's go to another word. Mishpar. Mishpar is translated to the English number. The syntax of this the parsing of this word is nominative, masculine, singular. The last one is simotam. Simotam in English of their names. It is a noun, masculine plural, gintival pronoun, and third person masculine plural. So that's all for verse 40 in chapter 3 of Numbers.